Racing just is started. We have Shamo Pamilya. Break quickly at the start. Panamera Asikura. Salinas Blunt Ambition. I will survive. The Surgeon comes next. Friends of Doka. Magisterium Golden You. My Jopenga. While Midnight Break is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Shamo Pamilya. Salinas Asikura. The Surgeon is already outside. Blunt Ambition. Panamera moving up for the outside. I will survive. Friends of Doc. Then comes Magisterium. Then followed by Golden New. And on the outside is My Jopeng. While Midnight Break is still racing less half mile distance. They traveled. We have Shamo Pamilya by about 3 lengths. Salinas in second. And on the outside, the Surgeon Blunt Ambition comes next. Asikuda moving up. Friends of Doc. Magisterium like twice now coming closer. I will survive. Panamera. My Jopeng. Golden You. While Midnight Break is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Shamo Pamilya about to throw the challenge now. On the outside is Blunt Ambition. And they are now entering the home stretch. Shamo Pamilya, Blunt Ambition now moving up on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Blunt Ambition followed by Shamo Pamilya. Last 50 meters, it's all Blunt Ambition. Shamo Pamilya, the Surgeon, Magisterium, My Jopeng, Friends of Doc, and Panamera.